a mixed method study on teachers' perception of readiness of higher education institutions to the implementation of K-12 curriculum by Amy Acosta, Alexander S. Acosta. Sa quantitative phase, ang mga factors ay eligibility, staffing, guidelines, workforce, surplus management, and alternative programs. Sa qualitative phase naman, determine how the experiences of the participants supports, elaborated, and help explain the quantitative data set about how teachers think of their readiness in carrying out the K-12 curriculum. Nandito po yung visual model natin or operational model ng quantitative data collection, including survey questionnaire, quantitative data analysis, SPSS software, frequencies and percentages, Pearson correlation, result, numeric data, descriptive statistics, regression coefficient, t-value, R2, adjusted R2, f-value, correlation coefficient. Purpose, select interview participants. 12 naman ang nandito sa number ng develop open-ended questions interview protocol. Doon naman tayo sa phase 2 kasi nga ang research designs po natin dalawa, di ba? Nasa quali saka sa quant, audio recorder, qualitative data analysis, transcription, emic to edic, transcription, coding, identifying themes, analyzing themes, qualitative result, robo photo, audio data, text data, emergent themes. Integrate quantitative and qualitative result, interpretation and explanation of the quantitative and qualitative result, discussion, conclusions, implementations, recommendations, and future research.